is Dr. Adam from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and today I want to go over a quick tip on actually how to enter and exit a vehicle properly. A lot of times if we have a lot of back pain, believe it or not, getting in and out of the vehicle, I hear a lot of times aggravates the pain, and of course, if you're in your car sitting for too long. So one little tip I want to show you guys for getting in the vehicle is if you open the door, make sure you get plenty of room here, and then actually come up by your seat and actually hold on to your door, or if you have a bigger vehicle like an SUV, actually on the running board, you can step up on that and then just slowly lower yourself into the vehicle, and then bend your head and actually contract your core and abdominal brace as you hold onto the steering wheel and swing your legs simultaneously at the same time to get into the vehicle. And now when we actually exit the vehicle, make sure you scoot your seat all the way back to give yourself plenty of room, and if your steering wheel adjusts, we can actually lift that up all the way and lock it in to give yourself plenty of room to exit. So use the same tips, contract your core to get out. We're going to swing our legs here and then scoot all the way to the end to where your feet can touch the ground or the running board, and then hold on to the door frame and help propel yourself upward. So that is just a good tip. Instead of, we see a lot of times we swing our legs out improperly and really cause a lot of strain in the hip flexors and can cause hip pain as well as back pain. So also be sure to stop if you're on long trips and get up and stretch. That makes a big difference. So hope this was informative. These little tips, believe it or not, may not seem like a big deal. They do go a long way. And I hope you guys are having a great start to your new year. And as always, please comment below this video if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys next week. Thank you very much.